November 2353 Victor 1948 Cessna 140. And I recently acquired it about 4 or 5 weeks ago and have been doing some modifications. First one you're going to probably notice is that over the air intakes on the front of the cowling and just behind the prop, I did add some duct tape, and because my oil temps were just way too low, and flew it yesterday in about 40 degrees, 42 degrees, and really raised it up about 160 temperature now. The rest of the airplane I really haven't had to do too much to. I did do the prop modification and changed the pitch from 7148 to 7145. Tremendous difference in the airplane. Tremendous difference. But like I say, this airplane pretty well was completely rebuilt in 2012 down in Texas, I understand, and then I was taken up to North Dakota, South Dakota, and a fellow there put it over what's on his back, and that's when I got the airplane from a fellow that bought it here at Mountain Home and rebuilt it. So very happy with the airplane right now. Right now I have flown it about 10 or 11 hours and just really getting used to the airplane, and everything's going real well with it. So just want to drop a quick video to the Cessna 12140 Facebook page, and a few more shots of the inside of the airplane and the way that it looks. And it's just a little sweetheart airplane. I'm so delighted to be the new owner of this Cessna 140.